How to fix Roblox won't open problem. What's up guys? If you have this problem, I will show you how to fix it. So let's do it. Open the settings of your mobile phone. Click on the apps option and search for Roblox and click. So just you have to scroll down this list, click on the storage option, click clear cache. Back now, click on force stop and click OK. And guys, click on battery, make it on optimized mode. Go to Play Store or App Store if you use iPhone. If you found the update of Roblox updated, and when you finish, restart your device and your problem will be fixed after that. So if this video was useful, don't forget to like and subscribe in this channel, and bye.